Welcome to our channel. My name is Shane Goddard. You'll see me with my wife, Alma Goddard, our 4 daughters, which are 15 years old, 9 years old, and we have a set of twins that are 4, as well as our 2 Great Pyrenees, which are sisters, our 3 cats, and our Chihuahua, transformed this land that we bought 6 years ago, just outside Nashville, Tennessee, from 5 acres with a double wide trailer on it to our house that we're building behind us here now. From the time we bought this land, it's been a journey. We bought it 6 years ago. We were planning to immediately build on it, but we've just faced one obstacle after the other. And at one time 3 years ago, we even bought a Keystone Raptor 425 fifth wheel. It's a 43-foot it was a 43-foot camper that we put right back here and hooked it up to water and electric, and we were going to start building our house. We faced one obstacle after the other, never did get to do it. The twins were just born. We had enough, threw our hands up in the air, ended up buying a house in a subdivision. Well, that only lasted for a few years, and we just got tired of living so close to so many people in the neighborhood. I grew up with land, riding 4-wheelers and dirt bikes and just out walking in the woods and being in nature. And I thought, you know, I'm doing a disservice to my kids not showing them the way that I grew up. Join us during this journey, because we're going to take you through every single step that we've had to do, from drawing the plans to pulling the permits to getting subcontractors lined up, because we're doing this house ourselves. We haven't hired a builder to come in and do it for us. We're out here every day making sure people are doing what they're supposed to be doing. I do have some people that have been in the business for a long time, 20, 30 years, that are helping me along the way with advice. But they're not here all the time. I'll call them, I can ask questions to them. If I need them to, they'll come out here and check on some stuff. But we're going to show you a step-by-step guide so that you can do this, or if you have any questions, or if you're thinking about it. Maybe you see all these things involved and you say, you know what, that's too much, I don't want to do it. It's better if I hire somebody out. But if we can do it, you can do it. So join us, and we'll see you every day.